I'm hoping for a lot of luck. Evade the storm. I'm getting absolutely fucking soaked. Alright, so we just left North Texas Superbikes. Got a bunch of stuff done. Got the Termignoni headers installed. Domino grips are brand new. Removed the charcoal canister. Addressed the check engine light. What else did we do up there today? Oh, swapped out for some engine ice coolant. So hopefully I won't be having the overheating issues anymore. Of course, it gets hot as hell here in Texas. This bike was always overheating for me. So hopefully we resolved all the issues that I've been having. If you guys see the clouds right now, it looks like it's about to dump on us. I've never rode in the rain before, so this will be interesting. Trying to stop and get some gas and get home as quickly as possible and as safely as possible. We'll see how this goes. Sounds good though. Sounds real good. Here's the gas station we need to go to, actually, right here. All right. Top this bad boy off real quick. So I asked Dave before I left for the kind of the best route to get the hell out of here, and he said that if I take this road, this should connect me back to the main interstate instead of going back through all that road construction that we rode through on the way in. This fucking road is so fucked up for bikes. I'm hoping for a lot of luck. Evade the storm. Oh shit, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Holy shit. This is fucking terrible. Wow, guys. This is literally worst case scenario right here. Complete pouring ass fucking rain. Oh. The bike's gonna be completely soaked when I get home. I'm gonna be completely soaked when I get home. Oh. Feels like needles hit my arms, and we're only going 55 miles per hour. I should have left the bike. I should have left the bike and had my brother give me a ride. I mean, my confidence level right now is pretty much zero in the rain like this. Oh, fuck. This thing was most certainly not designed to be going through water like this. Oh, fuck. This is terrible. Now I wish I had my gear on. Oh, I actually have a waterproof riding jacket, and I should have fucking brought it. There was no fucking rain in the forecast today other than earlier this afternoon, and I figured I'd be at the shop the whole time that was taking place. I'm getting absolutely fucking soaked. I'm probably gonna have to pull over at some point and put my phone in my backpack, because it's not gonna continue to work. Oh, this is fucking terrible.